Oh. Okay, truth be told, it's morning of day 5, but I want to cap off the morning of, or day 3 work. Lots of big blessings, and we got a lot of big, not thinking about it type of, blessings from the big man upstairs. So we, I was working on the property, got there at 7:30 in the morning. You saw some of that video. But this is a recap of what ended up happening the rest of the day. Ended up talking to my neighbor across the street. I saw him mowing his lawn. I was like, I'm just gonna ask him if he knows any rental equipment, because I was getting the feeling it's gonna take like a month just to brush hog this thing, this property. So he said yes. He said, we just bought this house 2 months ago. The lady left a bunch of stuff in the garage. There's a tractor and a brush hog on there. Let's try to get it going this afternoon. So later in the afternoon, about 3 o'clock, he brought it over with a big old smile on his face. I was like, hey, try this out. And we had some issues keeping it running. Once we got it going, it was good, but I was nervous that it would stall because the battery was dead and we would have to re-jump it. In certain parts of the property, there's no way I was getting a vehicle back there to jump it. So anyway, I stayed on the thing no matter what. In some ways maybe kind of stupid, because I think I borderline heat exhaustion a few times, but at the same time I got 80 to 90% of the property brush hogged on Saturday. Cannot believe it. So huge amount of progress. I took some drone footage yesterday, so that would be day 4. It's Sunday. We don't work on Sunday. That's our personal and religious belief, to rest on Sundays. I needed it anyway. I was looking kind of forward to it. So today looks like there's a big old storm coming up back there. It looks like the boys were all geared to remove some more trees and stuff like that today. Looks like that probably won't happen. So we'll keep on with the journey. We have a lot of designing work to do. We have to design the house, choose where it would go on the property. We're going to talk to one of the people that wrote one of the books about earth bags, and the guy across the street happens to be a contractor too. I know, right? Crazy. So anyway, we'll keep on moving on this project, and we'll keep you updated. Here's the drone footage for day 3. Technically, what got done on day 3. All right, have a good day.